Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very special unboxing. Now this is part of a bigger unboxing. I mean box to box, but this was one of them that I hadn't unpackaged yet. There was several knives in there. A few of them we've already unboxed, but they were for giveaways. This likely will be for a giveaway too. And I saw this one and I thought, hey, this looks pretty cool. I think it was on sale. This is a Ferrum Forge Nitro-V Mini Archbishop. So let's take a look at this. I don't know if I've handled this before. So, okay. Comes in a little pouch. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think I've handled this before. I would have probably remembered this. Oh, it's a little guy. Really little guy. All right, this is a little itty bitty bitty knife. Look at that. Deep pocket carry clip. Right hand tip up only. Back spacer there. No lanyard loop. Priority. We have a flipper with jipping on there. We've got a fuller. Looks like that works pretty well. It's really small. Let's see how it flips. Well, it doesn't flip too bad. Liner lock. Fully engaged. No blade play. Let's see here. G10 handles. How's it feel in hand? A little small. It's like a 3-finger grip here, but it does have a finger choil. Definitely can use that finger choil. I can get full 4-finger grip with that finger choil. A little extra room, probably for extra large hands. Let's see how it disengages there. Not bad. Not bad. Reverse flick on the left hand, not bad. Let's see, the flipper is not bad. Okay. I'm rather impressed. Now, I will say I've been doing a lot of liner locks. My hands are a little sore today, especially with this, but it's not too strong. See, access, it is a little cutout, a little relief. I wish there was some jimping on there. It's a little, it is kind of a little slippery, right? But you can get to it. Excuse me. Let's see, where do you clear the detent? You clear detent right there. That's nice. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I'm curious. Let's put a little oil in there. It's such a little guy that I think a little bit of oil might go a long way. Definitely caged bearings. A little oil on the bearings, and let's put a little oil on the detent ball. Should be right there. I don't want it to come out really fast. Come on. There we go. I was afraid to have too much coming out. I mean, this is definitely a cool little one. Push button lock. I mean, you can do the push button, works well. Access to the lock bar is a little difficult. Light switch works. I don't know if that is lack of cutout. I mean, you definitely have a little more access to it, but it could be my hands a little sore right now from all the liner locks I've been handling the last couple of days. Been doing a lot of unboxing videos and reviews, so I'm a little sore than normal. It is a little tight there. We do have T6, T8, looks like T6, T6, and captive pivot. Not a bad little knife though. I mean, it's not bad. Thought I remember handling something like this, but it was not this good. This is much better if whatever I handle. Either they fix their issues, and if this was the same one, or this is a little different design. I can tell you I do like it. Now, that liner lock is a little stiff, and that's okay. Again, this is going to be a giveaway knife, so I don't know if I'd want to tune it. But man, that really does work. It's really surprising. It almost feels like a keychain knife, but I mean, there you go. Full. This is like a 5th pocket knife. I don't hate this thing. Might have to see about having one of these for me for a 5th pocket. I like the idea of having something like this in the car. Nice and sharp, definitely. Full flat grind. I was going to help open it with my ProTech Mordax, which is a Ferrum Forge design as well. As you can see, got the finger choil, which is very similar to Ferrum Forge. Some of the blade shape designer language there, you can see that. Yeah, This is pretty tough, this liner lock, but you know, I think that could be loosened up just a little bit. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, so G10 scales, chamfered all the way around. Not super sharp chamfered on top. I don't know if you call that swedged. I mean, technically, is it a micro swedge or is it a chamfer? I don't know. It's flat grind all the way up to about right here where the finger, thumb hole, finger fuller, whatever you want to call it is. It's no sharp on the top, but has a nice pokey tip. I mean, we are looking at a, what, 6 1/4 inch knife, so it's pretty small, right? And we're looking at a blade that even if you go from the tip to there, it's less than 3 inches. Total cutting length is like 2 1/4, so, you know, we'll get into the exact details for the review, but it's small. It's definitely small, but it's you can handle it, right? It's like little native small, like a Spyderco, right? I can choke up, I can hold it here. It does work, so I'm going to go ahead and put the oil away because I think we're done here. I'm not going to take this apart and tune it because it is a giveaway knife. But I will mention that it can absolutely be done, and I would probably do this if it was my knife. But I bought this with the intention of giving it away. So, steel liners. Let's see here. Any weight relief? No weight relief in there. It's still pretty light because of the size. It's small. I like the large thumb hole. Large thumb hole works really well. Easy to get to. Easy to access. Definitely pretty cool. I do like that. I do like that. The flipper works pretty good. I mean, this is definitely a smaller knife, you know, that someone who was looking for a smaller knife might appreciate. It is a steel clip. I'm pretty sure that's a steel clip. Yep, steel clip, steel liners. You know, it's a budget. It's a budget 5th pocket small knife, and that's, I think, is cool. Now you got to clear that detent, which I did right there. Yeah. All right, so let's zoom in and take a quick look at that. So here's a blade, full flat grind, Nitro-V blade steel, the G10 scale. It looks thin, but it works. You know, if you put your index finger here and your 3 fingers will go over here, right? Let's look at the back with the deep pocket carry clip, which is relatively pretty deep pocket carry. It's almost completely hidden. There's a back of the blade right there. I think you can see the Nitro-V right there. That's typically where they put that. You'll see the liner lock in here, nicely engaged at, I'd say, a good 40%. Yeah, and then you've got a good finger choil, which is definitely not going to get, you know, you can put your finger in there and really get it in there safely, it seems to me. So nice jimping, that's very workable, definitely pinch grip. See that? And you can see the back G10 spacer. I think that's pretty cool. Or G10 back spacer. So here's the knife in all its glory right here with the nice captive pivot, the little Ferrum Forge design right there. I think that's pretty cool. So there you go. And I think this is it OD green? Is it gray? I don't know what you call it. Khaki? Tan? I don't know. You tell me. I'm sure it'll say it in the link. I'll have a link down below when I post the video in the description. Very cool, very cool. I think it's definitely a knife worth considering if you're looking for a small knife, keep in your hand, pretty steady, like a little bit of a workhorse, 5th pocket knife. This sure seems like a very good alternative or a very good contender. Let's put it that way. It is small. I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, you look at next to the Mordax. It's a little tiny guy. All right? I'm not gonna lie to you. It is little. I mean, let's put it next to a pair 3. Where's my pair 3? So here's a Spyderco pair 3. You know, it's Spyderco pair 3 is definitely much larger than that. So you can get a little perspective on that. You know, what would be another one to put it next to? What's one everybody is familiar with? Oh, you know, we can do a Spyderco. I mean, a Benchmade bug out. Even the bug out is significantly larger than that. You can see that. So, yeah. There you go. Get you some ideas about the size of the knife. Not bad. Not bad little guy at all. Very cool. Very cool. There's a lot of things I like. Good Nitro-V budget steel. Nice jimping. Good place to choke up with a finger choil. It's even made for that because they chamfered it right there. Nice choke up here. You can do 3 fingers if you need to. Pinch grip. G10 scales. Liner. Steel liners. Steel deep pocket carry clip. Nice big thumb hole. Great deployment for the size of the knife. The flipper works really well. I like that as well. My only thing is this one is a little tight. I would definitely tune it to be a little bit looser on the liner lock, because it does feel a little stiff there. So that's my only thing I might mention. But still, a very cool little knife. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. We'll have a review. Hopefully, I'll get a full review on this little guy, and we'll talk more about it. If you have any questions about it or the channel, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, or worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the video really helps out the channel. It lets the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys, like these giveaways. And that's has a lot, if not significantly, completely due to you guys. So thank you. Yeah, thank you. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. I sure appreciate you guys watching everything, liking the videos, subscribing. And also to all the channel members out there, big, huge thank you to those who've been members since the very beginning, those who became members along the way, and those who became members recently. I sure appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You have no idea. Significant contribution to help to this channel. I'm humbled and grateful. So what I like to do is, for all the members, I like to have a once a month members exclusive giveaway. That's my way to say thank you. And also, if you became a brand new member just recently, email me with your name and address. I'd love to send you a sticker to say thank you. And I like to do that for all new channel members. Now, if you've been a channel member for a while and you're still a channel member now and you haven't emailed me, go ahead and email me as well with your name and address, and I will mail you that sticker. It's just a small way for me to say thank you and to show you I appreciate you. So yeah, we have the once a month giveaway, stickers. There's exclusive content at times. There's early release content. There's other things that I do just for the channel members first, and it's a way for me to say thank you. But please, please, please don't feel like you have to become a channel member to be a part of this. I appreciate you watching the videos, being a subscriber, being on the live stream. I love your comments. Don't ever want anybody to feel like you have to become a channel member. I just want you to know I appreciate you. Appreciate you being here, being part of this crazy experience of checking out knives, talking nerdy about knives. I am humbled by it. I appreciate it. It's a lot of fun, and I really do appreciate you guys. So thank you. Also, if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.